Welcome to science class. This is the continuation class of reproduction and modification in plants. In this class, we learn about modification in plants. This is a plant. The plant consists of two basic parts, the shoot system and the root system. The shoot system is a collective term for the parts of the plant above ground, whereas the parts below the surface constitute the root system. There are two main types of root systems. Dicots have a taproot system, while monocots have a fibrous root system. This fibrous root system is also known as an adventitious root system. This is taproot system and this is fibrous root system. A tap root system has a main root that grows down vertically, from which many smaller lateral roots arises. Now we learn about modifications of plant pots. Compare the given plants: carrot plant and grass. Carefully remove a fresh carrot plant from the soil. Observe it. Look at the pot. We usually consume a carrot vegetable. Carrot is not an unripe fruit, but the tap root of the carrot plant. We can see that the tap root of the carrot is swollen. In the case of carrot plant, the tap root has a different characteristics than the usual plants. Normally, each plant organ originally evolved to meet certain needs of the plant. For example, roots evolved primarily to anchor the plant and also absorb water and mineral nutrients from the soil. To perform special functions, the roots changes their size and shape. Leaves have changed themselves to adapt to their environment. Leaves were adopted to optimize photosynthesis. Stems evolved to reach out to sunlight and also served to conduct water from roots to leaves. However, in certain plant species, specific parts have evolved further in unusual and surprising ways to meet certain other specific needs. In some, stem modified for storing the food materials and for vegetative propagation. In some plants, root, stem and leaves change their shape and structure to perform special functions like storage of food, mechanical support, protection and other vital functions. This is known as modification of root, stem and leaves in plants. The leaf of cacti are actually their stem, and what appear as spine on them are actually leaf. Its leaves are modified into spines and an adaptation to reduce transpiration. Photosynthesis is performed by the stem part of the plant. Modification of root. To perform special functions, the root change their size and shape. Storage of food, mechanical support, gases of exchange, and sucking root. Modification of stem. Stem modified for storing the food materials and for vegetative propagation. Aerial modified, subaerial modified, and underground stem. Modification of leaf. Leaves have changed themselves to adapt to their environment. Spines, tendrils, payload, and traps. Students, I hope you all have understood the modification in plants. Thank you.